Manifestation is simply about your ability to create your own reality, your ability to bring into existence in your physical reality, in your 3D reality, the things you actually want and desire and want to experience. Manifestation is not about magic. Manifestation is not about woo. Manifestation is actually backed up by science because manifestation is connected to quantum physics. But you have to be a quantum physicist to understand the process of manifestation or to use manifestation to create something in your life. No. Why? Because you're already manifesting. That's right, you're already manifesting. You're manifesting something all the time, whether you're aware of it or not. Because manifestation is not just something you use when you want to use it. And I feel like this is what so many people just get wrong. They just think that they can use manifestation to manifest a specific thing or a specific circumstance in their lives. And of course, yes, it's one of the aspects of manifestation, and you can totally use manifestation to bring your desires into existence in your physical reality. But you also have to be aware of the fact that you are the creator of your entire reality. Your entire reality, and the entire is the keyword here. Because whether you're aware of it or not, you're always manifesting. Because manifestation is just a universal principle. You can't stop a universal principle. You don't have the power to stop a universal principle, just like you don't have the power to stop gravity, because gravity is just one of the universal law. And manifestation, call it law of assumption, law of attraction, however you want, like this is just also one of the universal laws. And this law is simply about energy. And that's why manifestation is connected to quantum physics, because quantum physics says that everything in this universe is made out of energy. And this energy vibrates on certain frequencies. And manifestation is also about energy. Manifestation is about your dominant energetic state creating in your life, in your reality, things that are in vibrational energetic alignment with your dominant energetic state. So essentially, your entire reality is a reflection. That's why everyone always tells you reality is your mirror, 3D reality is a reflection. Well, it is a reflection. It is a reflection of your dominant energetic state, of your dominant frequency, of your dominant vibration, also of your dominant beliefs, your So you have to be aware of the fact that you're always manifesting something. Like, even if you're not using a specific manifestation technique to manifest something specific, you're always manifesting your entire reality. Like, everything in your reality, like, you manifested that on some conscious or unconscious level, you manifested that. And the problem is that when you're not aware that you are the creator of your entire reality and not just of this, like, few specific manifestations that you want to manifest in your reality, like, that creates a problem, because you're only creating certain things, but you're not aware that the entire reality is a creation. That's why you're creating by default, and very often you're creating from the unconscious patterns, unconscious energetic patterns, unconscious beliefs, unconscious subconscious patterns. So manifestation is so much more than just manifesting specific things. Manifestation allows you to get the life of your dreams. And this is essentially why you came here. And this is essentially why you incarnated here in a physical body on this planet, to learn how to be the creator of your reality, to learn how to master the energetic creation. And that means that in this three-dimensional reality, you can get whatever the heck you want to get. That's right. There's no limits. There's no limits to what you can create in your reality. The only limits are the limits that you impose on yourself by succumbing to limiting beliefs, by succumbing to low emotional and thought patterns, by not being aware of the fact that reality is your creation, reality is your playground. You can mold this reality however you want. You can shape this reality however you want. But in order to do this, in order to harmonize your entire life, you need to become aware that, hey, like, this is my creation. I can as well just take care of what's going on inside me, take care of what's going on in my energy, and I can align with this higher frequencies, and I can align with this, like, better energetic states. And by aligning and elevating my vibration, my frequency, I can actually get what you want. Like, this is what you have to tell yourself. This is what you have to become aware of. You are the creator of your entire reality. Yes, you are the creator of your specific manifestations, but apart from that, you are the creator of your entire reality. So how do you turn into this conscious creator? How do you let go of this default mode? How do you let go of this unconscious patterns? Well, inner work, inner awareness, realizing that your inner world is the blueprint for your outer world, that your inner world is actually what the 3D reality just shows to you. So you really have to do this serious assessment of what's going on inside you. What is your belief system about? Is your belief system helping you to harmonize your reality, to get the reality of your dreams? What are your dominant emotional patterns and that's your dominant energetic patterns? Because remember, emotion is energy. Emotion is what creates your vibration, your frequency, and this frequency is being sent out into the universe, into the unified quantum field of potential. And you always get in your reality the reflection of this frequency. So the better your frequency, the better your overall reality. And in order to take care of your frequency, you need to harmonize your thoughts. You have to harmonize your beliefs. You have to let go of the limiting beliefs and limiting patterns that are preventing you from just getting what you want on every level. You really have to start paying attention to what are your beliefs about everything in life. What are your beliefs about money? What are your beliefs about yourself? How do you perceive yourself? What are your beliefs about love? What are your beliefs about relationships? What are your beliefs about success? And then, once you define those beliefs, ask yourself, are these beliefs helping you to get the life of your dreams? Or are these beliefs preventing you from getting the life of your dreams? And remember, belief is not tangible. Belief is not tangible. You can change your beliefs at any time. It just requires willingness, because in the beginning, when you try to reprogram your mind, obviously you reprogram your mind through repetition. You reprogram your mind through repeating a new subconscious program you actually want to install in your mind. But in the beginning, there's going to be a battle between your old belief system and your new belief system. That's okay, because essentially, if you persist and if you repeat your new belief system is going to replace your old belief system. But just remember that in the beginning, you're gonna fall into this old negative patterns, and you have to be conscious enough to realize that you're falling into these patterns and consciously step into your new belief system, into your new identity, into the new person you want to be. This is crucial, because remember that when you nurture better thoughts and better beliefs, 90%, 95% of your thoughts are unconscious thoughts. So if your unconscious program, your subconscious program, your belief system is installed and it's good and it's serving you, then of course it's going to impact your day-to-day thinking patterns, and your day-to-day thinking patterns are going to impact your feelings. And obviously your feelings are energy, your feelings creative vibration. So you elevate yourself by working on your inner world, by nurturing your inner world with the right type of beliefs, with the right type of energy, your feelings, your attitude, your identity. And the more you harmonize your inner world, the more you elevate your entire state of being, your entire energetic state, and the more you align with better realities, with better potentials in the infinite quantum field of potential. And this is when not only you harmonize your entire 3D reflection, your entire 3D reality, but suddenly you start getting your specific manifestations faster, because you are energetically aligned with abundance, with love, joy, and success. So it's obvious that all of those specific things you desire and you use manifestation techniques for to manifest, it's obvious that these things are also going to come much faster to you, because your negativity, your luck, your negative belief system is not preventing you from getting these things anymore. No, it's actually the reverse. It starts to support energetically all of your manifestation. And remember that the key to manifesting anything is becoming the energy you want to attract, living in the state of your wish fulfilled, assuming the state of your wish fulfilled. So when you are in your belief system, this higher energetic state, that of course you're already assuming abundance, you're already assuming love, you're already assuming love. So it's easier to get anything you want in life. So yes, manifestation is all about fun and all about creation and all about bringing into existence the things you want to manifest in your reality. But manifestation is also about you realizing that your entire life is basically your manifestation. And you don't have to manifest your life unconsciously. You don't have to manifest your life by default. You can actually manifest your life by design. You can create your life by design. You can turn into the conscious creator of your reality. And all it takes is the willingness to address what's going on inside you. Because the better your inner world, the better your overall reality. So yes, use manifestation techniques to get all of the specific things you want, because it's your birthright to get them. That's why it's your birthright to get them. You came here to create. You came here to be the creator. However, also be aware and use manifestation to get the life of your dreams, to harmonize every aspect of your reality, because you do have the power to do this. You can shape this reality however you want. But you never shape your reality by forcing something in the external world. But you always shape your reality by going inside, by just addressing your limiting beliefs, by addressing lack and limitation, negativity, and all of those like lower things you're holding on to. And then by healing them and letting go of them and replacing them with better mindset, with better belief system, with better identity, with better feelings, with better energy. And that, in essence, is what elevates your entire reality. Because this harmonious life you want, this overall harmonious reality, your highest timeline, is already out there somewhere. It exists as a quantum potential in a quantum field. And it exists on a certain frequency. And all you have to do is to elevate your state of being enough that you can naturally align with this reality. And when you align your energy with some potential in the quantum field, that's why you shift your entire reality in a positive direction, because you become an energetic match for anything you want. And when you become an energetic match for abundance, love, joy, and happiness, that's what you experience in your reality. So by all means, manifest your physical desires using manifestation techniques, but also be mindful of what's going on inside you, because what's going on inside you creates your entire reality, because you're always manifesting something. Every single second of your life, you're manifesting something. So the more harmonious your inner world, essentially, the more harmonious your overall manifestation, which is basically your life. So just pay attention to your inner world, because your inner world is the blueprint for your outer world. If it resonated with you in any way whatsoever, please give it a big thumbs up. And make sure to hit that subscribe button. And thank you for being here. Thank you for connecting. Thank you for listening.